Hey guys, so here I got two of these pressure cookers. One comes with the steaming rack and you also got the oven gloves. This is by Yedi. And then on the right here, I got the Instant Pot. Now they're both very good machines. However, I do have to choose the Yedi one. I use a lot more. I actually got some rice and chicken there cooked. And this is the vent here. So you just twist it on and off. The same one on this as well. So it's very easy to use. However, I did find that the Yedi one, for my preference, it is a lot more user friendly. This one is got 14 options. In the Instant Pot got 12. All your essentials here, the soup, the meat, beans, rice, multigrain porridge. So this is what the inside looks. Very deep and definitely plenty of space to cook all your favorite meals. This is the wee close-up of this. Sorry, it's a bit dirty. Just looking here from the back, the Yeti one is definitely slightly bigger as well. So if you got a bigger family like myself and you're cooking every day, this one is just my go-to. But this is what this looks like. Also, what I like is you got on the both of them we lid space there. Very good for that as well. You also got one on this Yeti one. This one comes out here. Very good machines. And this one has to be my winner, Yeti pressure cooker.